CompassCDS is Scion Instruments' chromatography data system designed for instrument control, data acquisition, processing, and reporting. Originating from Varian's Galaxy CDS, Compass is the next generation software which can control a wide number of GC and LC models. Use of the software can be restricted by username and password. Data organization, access, and instrument control may be limited by selecting customizable groups and projects if desired. This installation is configured to use the default username and a blank password for easy and quick access. The Compass software is fully contained within a single window. There are no offline and online sessions to deal with. Data review, method creation, and calibration is all performed on the Data tab located in the lower left corner of the screen. Live data view and instrument status is available on the System tab. Finally, the Calibration tab is used to review and modify calibration curves. The System tab allows you to quickly view the status of any instrument. Multiple instruments can be connected to simultaneously. A new tab opens along the top of the window for each instrument. Instrument status, showing the temperatures, flows, and detectors, appears in the lower half of the screen. The layout and content of the instrument status can be customized. Live data can be customized in appearance and includes the ability to superimpose a reference chromatogram over the top of the live data. The Data tab is where methods can be created and modified, and where chromatograms can be reviewed and manipulated. Compass does not limit the user to working on a single file at once. Methods, sequences, and multiple chromatograms can be worked on simultaneously. In this example, we have a method, denoted by the gear symbol, a sequence, denoted by multiple vials, and two chromatograms, all open at the same time. Switching between them is as easy as clicking on the file name. The right-hand side of the window changes depending on the active file. Finally, we have the Calibration tab. This tab is used to view and modify calibration curves. The curve can be manipulated in several ways. For example, bad data points can be removed from the active calibration by unchecking the associated box next to the point. It is also possible to change the calibration model to see what effect linear, quadratic, or higher order polynomials has on the data fit. There are two options for acquiring data: Quick Start for single sample analysis, and Sequences for analyzing multiple samples in a row. Quick Start, along with all other software functions, can be accessed through the menu bar at the top of the window. The most used functions also have shortcut buttons on the toolbar. The shortcut button for Quick Start is here. The system name and method is chosen first. To begin a Quick Start analysis, the user must enter the necessary run information if it has not been saved as part of the method. After pressing Start, the method will be uploaded to the instrument and the analysis will begin. Sequences are an automated way to collect data. They can be used for collecting a single analysis or multiple analyses. Sequence columns can be customized to hide unused data fields. Once a sequence is customized, it can be saved for future use. Lines can be added, removed, or rearranged. To make setting up sequences easier, lines can be autofilled with the content from the top line of the sequence. Sequence control uses familiar play, stop, and pause buttons. When a sequence is being run, the line which is currently being analyzed is displayed in yellow. Completed lines are shown in green. Sequences can be manipulated and edited while the instrument is running, as long as the line that needs editing has not begun yet. Live data can be viewed in two places when running a sequence. It is shown directly below the sequence and on the System tab. When working with a method, subsections appear in the lower left corner. Most labs only use a few of the subsections. The control subsection is where the operating parameters of the instrument are located, such as inlet control, oven temperature ramps, and detector settings. The acquisition subsection allows sample information to be pre-saved, such as the run name, run time, and injection volume. This information will automatically populate the quick start and sequence tables. The remaining subsections are most easily manipulated after a chromatogram has been collected. This is one of the most powerful features of CompassCDS. Chromatograms contain full copies of the global acquisition method. Local chromatogram methods can be modified without worrying about making irreversible changes. For example, new retention time windows, calibration tables, and integration events can all be tested within the chromatogram to see what effect it has on the data. Those changes can be applied to the global method if they are an improvement, or discarded. The Compass integration engine is efficient at integrating even the most challenging chromatograms. Often only two integration events, peak width and threshold, are needed to integrate chromatograms. However, should a user want fine-tuned control of the integration, there are many more integration events available. Creating calibration curves in Compass is extremely easy. First, the type of calibration is selected and the calibration curve name is chosen. If a multi-point calibration curve is desired, the table can be expanded or reduced depending on the number of points needed. Once a chromatogram has been acquired, it can be reprocessed. It may be reprocessed using its original method parameters, new method parameters, or as a standard if it's to be included as part of a calibration curve. Reprocessing can be done in two ways, just like data acquisition. Chromatograms can be reprocessed one at a time, as shown here, or as part of a reprocessing list. CompassCDS has several options for data reporting. For integration with a LIMS, Compass can export data in a variety of text formats. These exports can be sent to any network location available to the computer. Compass includes default report templates that many laboratories use without modification. However, additional customization can be made to the report contents very easily. Printed reports can be modified and formatted using the Compass Report Editor. Elements can be dragged and resized on the page as desired. Various formatting options can be applied by viewing the properties of each item. Reports can also be converted into PDF format instead of or in addition to printed reports. Summary reports combine the results from multiple chromatograms into a single report. Basic statistics like the mean, standard deviation, and percent RSD are automatically included. Summary reports also include a graphical chart showing the results over time. Compass has a variety of plugin programs that work directly with the software to further enhance the capabilities. For example, natural gas calculations can be fully automated to calculate physical properties of hydrocarbon blends, as shown here. Laboratories can also define custom variables and calculations. Many calculations traditionally done in a spreadsheet program can be done automatically by the Compass software after each run is complete, which frees up valuable time and eliminates mistakes. CompassCDS is an operator-friendly and intuitive chromatography data software. It's been designed to improve operator experience by streamlining workflows, thereby increasing sample throughput and overall productivity. It can be installed as a standalone workstation or as a large client-server solution, which provides flexibility and safety in the case of a computer failure. Training courses are available to help maximize the benefits of the software.